Hi, my name is Janet with the Hearing Aid Specialist of the Carolinas in Winston-Salem and in Kernersville. Today I'm going to talk to you about the best practices for your hearing aids. Number one is you need to wear them. That's number one. Wear them at least 8 hours a day. From the time you get up to the time you go to bed. That's the best practice right there. Number two, routine maintenance. We'll teach you that at the time of the fitting. And if you forget over time, no worries. Just call us up or come in and we'll show you, re-counsel you on how to do that. Number three, stay away from water with the hearing aids on. In other words, if you're going to go swimming, take the hearing aids off. Got to hop in the shower, take the hearing aids off. Get in the hot tub, take the hearing aids off. They're not fond of water. Number four, animals. Puppies and even adult dogs like to eat hearing aids. They think it's fun. I have a number of patients who have lost hearing aids because their dogs ate them. Cats like to play with them. So take those hearing aids off. Put them in a safe place where those pets cannot get to them. And then number five, when you go to bed at night, take them off. Open up that battery door to save your battery, or put the hearing aids in the charger, whichever one you have. It's best not to wear the hearing aids to bed. Your ears do need to breathe just like anything else. And that's the way when it can do it is at night when you're not wearing those hearing aids. So these are some of the things. See, this is some of the best practice for those hearing aids. Thank you for your time.